I pulled this hose off of the oil cooler from the transmission to the radiator on an 05 ELANTRA, which is going to be the same as 01 to 05 ELANTRA. Then I looked it up on the OEM parts diagram online and found the part numbers. And one of them online is discontinued and expensive. $58 is the other one that is still there available. So then I did some research based upon these numbers and words on the side of the hose. And I found that it's 7.6 millimeters and some other things. And then I found this hose on Rock Auto. That's 5/16. 7.6 millimeters is approximately 0.29992 inches. 5/16 is 0.313. The difference is 0.351 millimeters, which is about the size of a thick strand of hair or a light fishing line. That's how much larger the replacement hose is than the factory hose. So I'm going with that. Other information is the normal operating temperature of the ELANTRA is about 180. The hose maker's catalog rates theirs about 350. And others, there's no definite source of information about the operating pressure of the original hose, but replacement hoses on O'Reilly's are 150, and the standard for transmission hoses is J1532, which is what this hose is rated at and printed on the side of the hose, and that is 250. So again, this is the hose on Rock Auto, AGS TRC 525, 5/16 at 25 feet for $67.79.